Today's tip of the day. I like to basically indicate on my families basically the designation, depending on what product it is. In this case, you got a transformer. Put the designation, put the kVA, and how much it weighs. These are questions that constantly come up, like, hey, what size is it? Hey, what's that designation? So I like to put that on the actual family itself. For a disconnect safety switch, put the ampacity. For a panel board, I'll go ahead and put in, whether it's a main breaker or main lug, and then the ampacity along with the designation. And then for junction boxes or pull boxes or whatever, I'll put the size on there so you can kind of see it in the model. You don't have to go clicking on it and to see what it is. Another thing I also do is, as you can see here, when I'm wiring things up, you can't see the designations, but what I did was I basically, in the 3D view, you can see it, like here, for example, I put the designation basically inside the panel. So when you're looking at it in plan view, of course, it's not interfering with your conduit placements or anything like that. But as soon as you hover over it, it basically tells you, what the designation is. And here I have the KVA in here. To me, it's a big help. It just, it doesn't get in the way of the conduit. So if you put the designation, label on top, 3D, text, it's going to get in the way. So here it's just, good little trick to put it in the center, and then when you hover over it, it tells you what size it is. So if you don't want to hover over the families and see the designation, another thing you could do is just put it on wireframe, and then of course you'll see them all. So that's it for today's tip. Until next time.